Yep, right there, skip ad. I'm telling you, you're not gonna like this video. Skip the ad. Okay, well, you just cost me 10 cents, so I guess I might as well introduce myself at this point. So guys, as I said, you cost me roughly around 10 cents, but no hard feelings. We are here in my $3 million London home. Let me just take a minute to introduce myself. My name is Iman Gadzhi. I'm actually an 18-year-old entrepreneur. I've done some pretty crazy stuff in my time. I dropped out of school last year at the age of 17 after just being tired of being told what to do and who I should become and what I should do with my life. Then I went on to build 3 businesses, design the lifestyle of my dreams, and here we are today. So guys, I mean, I could continue to tell you all the great things about me, but why don't I just show you what the last year had in store for me.
Showing off, you've got your hand on the button now.
So guys, I know what you're thinking at this point. This freaking dude is about to sell me something. He's about to try and get me to attend a webinar or something along those lines. Guys, I'm not here to sell you anything. All I ask is that you come check out my YouTube channel. So on my YouTube channel, I give away a lot. Probably a lot more than I really should be doing, but I give away a lot as to, how I've built this lifestyle for myself, how I've done all of this, how did a high school dropout manage to do all of this? And I do all of that for entirely free. Now, if you don't believe me, how about we just do this? I'm gonna put forward a win-win situation for you here. Now, if you're skeptical, go ahead and click that little link right there that'll take you to my YouTube. Just browse it for a couple minutes, and if I am indeed full of crap, then you're right, and you just cost me 10 cents. Now, if I am actually who I make myself out to be, then look, you've just found a cool new YouTube channel that you can use to either build your business, build your relationships, build your lifestyle, your travel, whatever you're trying to do with your life. I'm doing right now as well. I'm sharing my entire journey. So my YouTube channel just represents a new generation. It represents what's possible for us as millennials these days. And guys, I hope to see you on my channel soon.
Why you gotta act like I ain't